Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make baklava sheets at home. First, gather your ingredients. Combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with a pinch of salt in a large bowl. Next, add 1 egg, 1/4 cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Mix these ingredients thoroughly until a shaggy dough begins to form. This initial step is crucial for developing the right texture. Once your dough is shaggy, turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead it vigorously for about 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. This develops the gluten, which is essential for thin sheets. Divide the dough into 12 equal portions, then cover them with plastic wrap. Allow the dough to rest for at least 30 minutes. This relaxes the gluten, making it easier to roll. Now for the fun part, rolling. Lightly flour your work surface and 1 dough portion. Using a long, thin rolling pin, begin rolling the dough outwards from the center. The goal is to achieve a sheet so thin you can almost see through it. Aim for dimensions of approximately 18 by 24 inches. This takes practice, but patience will yield perfect, delicate baklava layers. To assemble, brush each rolled sheet generously with melted butter before layering it into your pan. Create a bottom layer of 8 to 10 sheets, then add your desired nut filling. Top with another 8 to 10 buttered sheets. Bake your baklava at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 60 minutes, or until it's beautifully golden brown. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.